Hello guys and welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design Valentine card flyer in Photoshop. Before we proceed, I would like you to help me do three things. Please like this video, share this video and comment at what you feel about this design. Thank you so much for doing so. These three things are very important because this is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. So it is very important. If you cannot do the three things, please don't forget to like it. It is very important. Today, the design will be very simple and straightforward. It might look simple, but it is classic. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. The first thing I'm going to do is to give our project a name, and I've already named it Valentine Card Flyer. So you can name it anything you like. That's what I'm giving it, and I will go by this setting 4000 by 4000 pixel. I'm using pixel this time around. The background will be transparent. So when you are done with this, just click on create. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to my gallery and I'm going to import the background. I'm going to import this background. Alright. Okay, before we proceed, I got this background from Pinterest. So I saw it and I feel like I can come up with something with this background. So that's where I got the inspiration from. I got this background from Pinterest. So after making research, I come up with this particular design. So let's proceed. I go to my gallery, at my notepad, and I'm going to work with Valentine Day. Happy Valentine Day. Alright, so on our keyboard, I'm going to tap on this and I'm going to paste. Ctrl A to select all, then I'm going to the property. Alright, so let me change it to black. So this is the black I'm using, A1. Okay, so this is the color I'm using, but not for everything. It's only for this happy alone. So I'm going to change the font to this particular font, Activist, for happy. You can see that I've highlighted this one, and I'm going to increase the font. Let me see if 60 will be okay. 60 is okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with happy. Then I'm going to pick up this, highlight this Valentine. I'm going to change the font to this this particular font, NT Wagon. So this is the font I'm using, and the weight is bold already. So I'm going to change the size to 72. Okay, let me highlight both and go to our property. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to work on the line spacing. So the line spacing is too much, so I'm going to reduce it to 60. I think 60 is cool. So before I round it off, I'm still going to work on the Valentine Day. I'm going to change the color from black to red. Okay, I will highlight only the Valentine Day now. I'm going to change the color to red. F0000. F007. So that is the color code, F000. Alright, and with that I'm done with our test. I'm done with Happy Valentine Day test. Alright, so we're on our keyboard. I'm going to place it here. When I'm done with this, so the next thing I'm going to do is to work on a caption message here. So I'll just press T on my keyboard, or I go to T here, then I will create a text box. I'll tap on this area, then go to my this place. I've highlighted it, so I'm going to paste it here. Control V to paste, Control A to select all. So I'm going to change to font to Montserrat. I'm going to be using Montserrat this time around. Montserrat bold, but the size will not be like this. So I'll make it 24. So I'm going to go to property and reduce the line spacing. The line spacing to be, let me leave it at auto. Okay, so let me increase the size here. Increase it here too. I think it's balanced like this. Then I click OK. Here on my keyboard, and I'm going to adjust it like this. So I can move this one to the top. I can move this one like this. I can leave this one like this. Alright, so to make the last thing, and what I will be doing next is to come to view on my keyboard, or I click on this side to bring our rectangular tools. So I'm going to create a shape here. So come over to this property. I'm not going to be using fill this time around. I'm going to be using gradient. So, and this is the gradient I'm using. So this is the color code for the first part. So F0000. So we can copy that, and for the last part is this color code that we are using, F0000. The second one will be the color code we are using, FF0000, pure red, FF0000. That will be the color code for the second part. Alright, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so without wasting time, let's continue. So I'm going to give this one a radius of corner radius of 100. So let me see, I think 65 is also okay. I think 65 is okay. So I will leave it like that, and I'm just going to write this text. See on our keyboard, then I'll click on this side. Then I'm going to move it later on. So I'm going to go with this text. 14th of February. 14th of February. I'm going to paste. Control A to select all. Then I'm going to change it to white. Pure white. Okay. And okay. See on my keyboard. Then I'm going to move it to the top here. I did not check the size, but I'm fine with this. I'm cool. So it's Montserrat and it's 24. Okay, and I'm cool with this. I'm just going to rearrange the rectangle. So I'm going to rearrange the text too. Alright, so to round it off, I'm going to give an effect, a shadow effect on the shape, on the rectangular shape. Go to layer, Then on this I will go to this blending option. Then I'm going to add drop shadow. So I've done it before. I'm just going to show you the settings so that you can copy it if you feel like using it. Alright, so click on this. This is the first drop shadow and this is the setting. This is the black, just black, pure black, and set the blend mode to multiply 20 opacity. Follow these settings and you will get the exact result. So same thing with this pure black and same thing with this pure black. Okay, when you are done with that, click OK. Alright, so you can just rearrange my design in a way that will make sense. And I think this is cool, this is cool, this is cool. Alright, and with this we come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the end and I hope you are able to gain value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and also comment how you feel about the design. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Happy Valentine Day and bye for now.